Now let's go to Lumberyard and emotion effects, and let's see how all of this works. Okay, so here we are in the level we were working on. The character is there, it's ready to get an animation. Let's go to here is the new motions folder that was recently added when we exported the character. Let's see, when we double click on it, let's see what do we get. So we get a motions tab. There is an actors tab now, totally empty, doing nothing. And now there is a motions tab. Basically, the asset processor detected that we got an FBX that has motion data. And we don't have to change much. All of the defaults are correct. So we can close it. And the motion is already ready to use. So we don't even have to open emotion effects at the moment. We can go now back to the character. And we're going to add a motion component. Simple motion. And we're going to pick the one we just got. And if we click preview in the editor, we should see it there. Remember, because the way we export the loop, what happens with the root motions. Oh, let's place it on loop. So in game mode, if we start reading the position of this character, it's going to look as if the character is wiggling a little bit, even though it's not even moving. And again, we could have, depending on how we extracted the data, we could have this totally static as we show. But this is it, it's looking good. And for completeness sake, let's see this in emotion effects itself. So we can go to tools, animation editor. We already had a workspace, mirror 2 that had a character. Now, this is more, what we're going to do here is more important when we're going to build animation graphs. Okay? And we're not building animation graphs for this tutorial at all, because that's basically a complete different topic. But we can have here, we can, add motions that we can use an animation graph, and by clicking on it, we can see the character. And look how the camera looks, because the camera is detecting, is wiggling, because there is movement in the root bone. Okay, this is another thing that you can see, that oh, the root bone it has some transforms being applied, which of course we could cancel it from using with Lumbermixalot. And that's it. This covered this first motion extraction tutorial. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.